In your pocket, in the shoulder pocket. All right, finger off the trigger. All right, finger on the trigger. Line up your sights. All right, finger on the trigger when you're ready to fire. Good job!
You hit it again.
The same one again.
He likes that orange one.
Hit it again.
Stop.
Nice.
That was a big hole right there.
Yeah, you did. You said you was gonna get that orange one too.
You did. There you go. In the shoulder pocket, finger off the trigger. Finger off the trigger. Wait a
These
minute.
things are lined up.
Now, good cheek wheel. Good job. Cheek on the butt. Line up your sights.
They're lined up.
Keep your sights lined up. Put them on whatever cane you want to hit. Squeeze that trigger whenever you're ready. Good job! Boom! Boom!
Which one did you hit?
I think you hit both of them. 30 holes in there and 2 holes in there.